Hi, lovely people. How is your day going? Let me know in the comments what you're up to. How is your day going? Mine is doing okay. I am trying this new foundation and concealer, and that was the wrong thing to do to try two products at the same time because my eyes under here look horrendous. And they haven't even been on for like 2 hours, so don't mind my makeup. Anyway, let me just move on. So we are going to be unboxing some, oh, that has my P.O. box. That's okay. Some jewelry. Now, last month I got really behind in boxes. So these are all going to be, this one is like February and March. This is the March unboxing. But if you don't know, I had a family member that passed away the end of February. So March was just not a really good month for me to catch up on a lot of these boxes, but I wanted to show you what they were and some jewelry subscriptions. So let's unbox this one. So this is $29.95 a month. I also have a discount code. I will leave it down below. These are nothing that I make anything off of. It is just for you guys. So like I said, I'll leave everything down below. And I really like this jewelry subscription box. This is called, I don't know if I told you, the Glamour Jewelry Box. And with this subscription, you don't get to pick like if you like silver, gold, rose gold. They just send you whatever they send you every month. So everybody gets the same thing every month. And like I said, you don't get to pick which it is. So I don't tend to wear a lot of gold. I like to wear silver because my wedding band is white gold. So I either like to wear white gold or silver because I don't like the clashing with the metals. But that's just a personal preference. So let's see what is in this month's box. Well, I'm doing this April 1st, but this is the March box. So it always tells you what everything is. Oh, so everything's in silver this month. Oh, that's exciting. So it gives you the prices. It says this month's box is retail for $79. All right. So it always comes in this little velvet pink case that I like to save these to put things in. These are really nice, these cases. All right, so just throw stuff on the floor. All right, so it looks a lot. Ooh, okay. Is there something else in there? Let's see. Okay, so the first thing is this little bracelet. So let's take this off. And let me just show you. This is really pretty. Very pretty, but it is like if you pull this too hard, it would break. So let's put it on. Oh, but I love it. I like this a lot. I really like this, and it's very lightweight. So I'm the type, the reason why I don't wear a lot of necklaces or bracelets, you never see me wearing them because I don't like the feeling that something's on there. Even my wedding ring, when I'm not recording or I don't go out, I take my wedding ring right off. I don't like to wear a lot of jewelry except for earrings. I don't mind earrings, but as long as they're not heavy. But this is something that I would definitely wear because it's very lightweight. Let me see how much it says it is. So this bracelet says retail price is $31. I don't know about that. This month's classic cuff provides a subtle and minimal look while giving a touch of flair. I mean, it's very dainty, very dainty. But I don't think I would pay $31 just for this, but I love it. I think it's nice. Okay, so then we have something in here. So this is the necklace. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. So my birthday's April 6th, and my birthstone is a diamond. Now, of course, these aren't real, but, okay, this is tangled up. Let's see. Oh, this is tangled. All right, so after the video, I will untangle it, but there we go. It's like a little, let me get up close here. Come on in. Right there, if you guys can see. That is really pretty. That's gorgeous. That's like nice and dainty. Like I said, this has a little kink in there, right there. And so I don't want to mess around with it too afterwards. I can get it out. I don't want to mess it up. So how much is this? So this retails for $25. Okay, so yeah, see where that little kink is right there? But like I said, this is gorgeous, and I like the fact that my birthstone is a diamond, so that's nice. And these go really nice together, so that's good. I don't know if I would pay $25 for that alone either. All right, and so here you always get earrings, and the earrings here say it's $23. Oh, they're pretty. I love, oh, Jesus, I just threw it. I love hoops. When I was 6 months old, I had 2 people that pierced my ears, and because I did it at the same time, they're uneven. One is higher than the other, and then one, I believe it's this one that's out more, and this one goes in more, if you can see. So this one here is higher, and it goes in. This one here is lower, and it goes out. So if I wear stuff like this, you really can't tell unless you're looking, but if I wear like studs, you can definitely see the difference. So that's why I always wear hoops. So I am very excited. I'm going to next month get my ears re-pierced correctly so I can wear jewelry, and then I'm going to get a double piercing, and that would look gorgeous, won't it? What, you have the double piercing? Oh, I like that. Or even just like a regular, that is really pretty. I really like this. Now, like I said, the whole box was $29.95. So for $30, I would definitely pay for all this. It's really, really pretty. And like I said, I do tend to like silver. But I wouldn't pay like the prices that it says for the retail. No, but for this box, definitely, I would definitely pay $30 for all of that. I definitely think you get your money's worth. So that's why I like that subscription. All right, so let's move on to Mintmongoose. This is a $12 a month subscription. They do have the black Mintmongoose, which I believe is like $25, and you get like one extra thing. So these are $12 a month, and I have a discount code as well to get you $10. You can get it for the your first month. I will leave that down below. Like I said, none of these codes, I get anything out of it. It is just for you guys. So now with Mintmongoose, these are nickel free, so nothing will turn green or anything like that. Any of the jewelry that I've been getting has never turned on me. And you do get to pick if you want silver, gold, rose gold every month. So I like that about this subscription. The Glamour subscription is a little bit, I think, it's like a different style jewelry, and you don't get to pick what you want. They give you what they give you every month, but the jewelry is absolutely gorgeous. So I like that, and then I like this one because you get to pick what you want, and the jewelry, it's a little bit different, the style. All right, so let's open her up. Now, what month is this? So this is let me do the February first. Is this, yeah, this is the February one, and I haven't opened it, so let's just see. And that's good because I get to do 2 of the months, and then you can see if you like it or not, you know? So it always comes like this, which I love. I say in every video that, it's the kind like the old thing where you would stamp it, So I love that. And like I said, for $10, this is definitely worth it too. Okay, let me open her up. Jesus, usually they're easy to open. All right, so you always get a piece of candy in here, which this is my favorite candy, the Werther's. Love these so much. All right, and there's something here. So here's a little ring that you get. Also, I believe you can also pick, like, if you don't like earrings or rings or something like that, that you can switch out. So like I said, I always like the silver one, so I always tell her to give me silver. Look at my fingers. I was doing some swatches and it looks so dirty. All right, let's put it on this ring, this thing, just to show you. So that's what it would look like. My knuckles are very fat because they swell a lot. So, oh God, is it stuck on me? No. I am diabetic, so a lot of times my fingers swell. But that's pretty. But I usually give these rings to my daughter. She usually enjoys them. All right, so it always comes with the green color tissue paper. This looks a little darker. Usually it's like more mint color. All right. So here are the other 2 items. So we got the ring. This, I believe, is, let's see, the earrings. Let's open her up. All right, so it comes like that in the bag. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at this. So we got the earrings. Oh, that is so pretty. I really like that so much. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I love that so much. I really like these. That is gorgeous. Blue is like coming back in style. I remember back in the 80s. You guys remember the blue and the green and everything like that? And then in the like 90s, it was like the brownish copper look, right? And then like now it's like all the colors are coming back. Okay. And, oh, that necklace is gorgeous. So, I don't know if I'm tangling this stuff up or what. Let's see. Because this is tangled as well. And they're never usually tangled. So, it'll be very easy to untangle. But because I don't edit, I don't want to take up too much time. So, I will just show you. So, it comes with the little logo with the Mintmongoose on there. And like I said, they're very easy to untangle. They don't usually come tangled. So, and then here is the necklace to match the earrings. That's gorgeous. So, it would look like this. And then the earrings. Let me show you. That is gorgeous. Now, I don't think the ring goes with this, but you can wear the ring anytime. But this is really, really pretty. I like that. So that is February's. All right, let's get to March's. Let's open it up. Again, we have that packaging. Oh, and look, it's different. You see how this is like that? Usually they come plain. So I don't know if it's just for March or they're going to start it like that. That's pretty. God, usually I get these open so easy. Okay. There we go. Okay, got my candy, which I love. All right, the first thing when you see, like when you open it up, is another ring. Oh, that's pretty. What is this? A peacock, I think. That's really different. Can you guys see, is it focusing? I don't know if it's focusing. Let's see. I don't know what size. I wear a size 8. So yeah, so that fits if I took. That is really, really pretty. I like that a lot. I do because it's different. Let's try this one, my ring finger, and see if it fits. Yeah, that fits my ring finger. All right. So let's take that out. And there is the wrap. It's always wrapped very pretty. Sorry if that's loud. The microphone is right there. All right, so we have our 2 pieces. So we have that ring, the peacock ring. I really like that ring. I like different stuff like that. All right, so it comes like this. I think this is the necklace. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That is really pretty. See how it usually doesn't come kinked up. So, of course, you always get that little logo with the Mintmongoose on there. You guys can see. So, this is right there, the stone. And then on the back has the Mintmongoose on the back. But there's the stone. That is gorgeous. That is really pretty. Let's see. So, it would look like that. That's beautiful. I like that. I liked all the jewelry this month that I opened. I don't know why it took me so long to open it. I'd wear it, definitely. All this I would definitely wear. I mean, this right here, of course, that's not everyday wear. That's something if I'm dressing up or going somewhere, of course. But all right, I'm just trying to open this stuff up. These are the earrings, and I think these are studs. And like I said, I can't wear studs, so I'll have to wait until, oh, that's beautiful. It matches the stone perfectly. That's gorgeous. So that's why I cannot wait until I get my, double pierced and then my ears pierced correctly to wear these. These are really, really pretty right there. So that's everything. Now, I don't know why they have a peacock. Usually the rings or the bracelets never, because sometimes you get a bracelet instead of the ring, and they don't usually go with the earrings, or it's just like an extra thing. But like I said, that's $12 a month, and if you use my code, you can get it for $10. So for $10, I think it's definitely worth it. And then you get the more like daintier stuff with the Glamour box. That's $30 a month. And like I said, I have a discount code for that as well. So let me know what you think. Do you like these jewelry unboxings? Do you want me to continue doing the jewelry unboxings? What I'm trying to do is change up this channel a little bit. I know that a lot of people, there's a lot of unboxing channels now. When I first started, there were unboxing channels, of course, but it wasn't like it is now, which is very exciting because I love subscription boxes. But because there's so many, everybody's getting the same box. And I know it's like, how many boxes can you see of me doing? How many people do you want to see doing that same box, right? So I canceled a lot of subscriptions, except for the ones that I really like. I have my Ipsy, my BoxyCharm, my Allure, things like that I will definitely keep. I only unboxed this year one time the Allure because they've been coming very late, and I figured you guys already seen that as well. But let me know, do you guys like to see these jewelry subscriptions? I know a lot of people unbox them as well. Let me know. If you don't want to see them, I will let the owners know not to send it to me no more. It's what you guys want to see. Let me know. And I'm also, because I unsubscribe for some boxes, I have more time to do some beauty things. You guys have been asking me to do get readies with me, and I'm going to do things like things that I bought, like makeup products I bought and I don't use, or makeup products I use and I love, or makeup products I love but I haven't used in a while. Stuff like that I'm going to do, as well as my unboxing, to kind of change it up a little bit and give you guys what you guys been asking for. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see these jewelry unboxings. Also, if there's a subscription box that you would like to see me unbox that you haven't seen me unbox, let me know, because I'm always looking for new subscription boxes as well. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video because it does really help me out. I have a giveaway going on. It's my birthday giveaway. My birthday's April 6th. So make sure that you are subscribed. I don't know if it's coming up before this video or after. So if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you're subscribed so you can get in that giveaway. And if you already seen the video, then just make sure that you're subscribed and you use the link. If not, I told you in that video, you know what to do. All right, guys, I'm just babbling right now. I love you guys. Please like this video. Make sure you comment. Let me know how your day is going. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.